Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can use the Canva in Android. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the Canva app. So we have to open that. I'm going to click on the Canva. And after clicking on the Canva, as you can see, the Canva is open. Now simply what we have to do, as you can see, has the plus icon. So we have to click on this. And after clicking on this, now you have to search for that what you want to use and which template you want to use. For example, I'm gonna search for the poster design. So let's search for the poster and now press the enter. So as you can see, you will be able to see the different poster size. So you have to choose that which size you want to use. For example, I want to use this one 10 by 8. So let's click on this. So as you can see, the page is generated and the size is generated. Now we have to choose the template. We have to choose the template, that which template we want to use. For example, I'm going to choose the template. So let's see, for example, I'm going to use this one. So we have to click on this, and after clicking on this, it will take few seconds. As you can see, now the template is open. Now if you want to edit the things, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to do this one. If you want to edit this, you have to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, you will be able to edit this. If you want to edit the text, you can also do that. For example, I'm gonna write the end here. If you want to change the colors of the text, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to click on this, and after clicking on this, I'm going to zoom out. And as you can see, if you click on these option, and here you will be able to see some other options. And let's click on the break again, and as you can see that all options are provided, text options, and we have to click on the text. For example, I want to edit this one, so let's click on this. So as you can see, the text is here. Now if you want to edit this, you can also do that. For example, I'm gonna remove this, and now I'm gonna write this smart here, and the text will work like this. So in this way, you can use the Canva in your phone. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.